Hi amazing people, welcome and welcome back to my kitchen. In today's video guys, I share with you a very simple way you can cook your egusi soup and enjoy it without it having to upset your tummy. Yeah, I know a lot of people doesn't like to eat egusi soup because it upsets their stomach. So without wasting much of time, I'm beginning to cook my proteins, and you can use any protein of your choice to make your egusi soup. Well, for me, I'm making use of sheki, some goat curry, and I added some stock fish as well. So I'll cover and cook till tender. As you can see, my proteins are properly cooked at this point. So once the proteins are properly cooked, I will start to fry the egusi. My oil got too hot, I got carried away doing other things. So, but the main thing is for you to add your egusi and make sure that the lumps are properly dissolved. So that's what I'm doing here. So once the lumps are properly dissolved, I'll go ahead to add the beef stock that I'm using to cook the egusi. If you are not using any beef stock or any stock at all, you can add water at this point. So as you can see, the stock I was using wasn't enough, and I'll just go ahead to add some more water because this is the water that we'll be using to cook this egusi soup. Remember, we are making egusi that will not upset your tummy. So once I've added the water, I'll go ahead to cook this for a minimum of 20 minutes, and I'll be stirring at an interval. So at this point, the egusi is properly cooked, and I'll just go ahead to season my soup. I've just added some Scotch bonnet pepper, some okpei, and I've added some seasoning cubes as well. I'll stir and then I'll add some crayfish. I tested for salt and it was good, so I added some crayfish as well. And at this point, I'll add in some smoked mackerel fish, some dry fish, and then I'll go ahead to add the proteins that I cooked before. So once I've added the proteins, I will stir and I'll add some more water. Just add water according to the how thick or how thin you want your soup to be. So I've just added some Uzuza seed as well. So I'll stir and I'll cover this to cook for another 5 minutes. So once I've cooked for another 5 minutes, I'll go ahead to add my vegetables. So 5 minutes later, I added a little bit of more crayfish, and I'm adding my vegetables at this point. You can make use of any vegetable of your choice, but I'm using spinach, and you can make use vegetable of your choice like I said before. Then I'll cover this to simmer for just 1 minute, and here we are, my soup is ready, and we have come to the end of today's video guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have watched to this very point, thank you. I do appreciate your stay here, and if you are new here, please do well to subscribe to the channel and turn your bell on to get notified each time I upload a new video. To my old subscribers, thank you for always coming back. I do appreciate your stay. I do appreciate all your support, and please do well to like the video and leave your comment in the comment section. I'll be so happy to reply back to you, and I will see you all in my next one. Have a blessed day and enjoy your weekend. Bye.